Hi, and welcome to HappyKittyCrafts. These are the 4 basic knots for friendship bracelets, and today we learn how to make them. We'll start out with the forward knot. We start by making a 4-like shape with the orange thread and go over the red thread with it, and then putting the end of the orange thread under the red and into the loop and out over the red thread again. Watch how I do it. Keep the red thread pulled down, and it should be only the orange thread that you pull up tightly to make the knot. It has to be 2 knots because the first knot creates the shape and the second knot secures it and locks it. I will continue to make forward knots with the orange thread until I reach the end. Now I am doing the backwards knot with the orange thread, which starts with a backward looking 4 over the yellow. And it has to be 2 again, as I said. Now with the red thread, I'm going to do the backwards forwards knot over the pink. This one is the backwards knot with the orange over the pink. So we go forward and then we go backwards. So obviously this doesn't make any friendship bracelet design yet, and it was just to demonstrate and teach the 4 basic knots. But once you have them down, you can start reading patterns and start doing your friendship bracelets really easily. Hope this video was useful to you and you enjoyed it and it was clear. And thanks for watching. Bye!